Alright, today's mod for the R34. See how this is all ripped up. It's got rips everywhere. So what I did, I went on eBay and just ordered a cover that looks fresh. So let's install it and see how it goes. Alright, so it's all a couple bolts or screws. Comes right off. So looks like it's all glued on. So we'll figure out how we're gonna do this. Alright, there's the final product. Now I'm gonna install it. All right, so if you can see, looks good. Fresh, new, everything looks good. So that's your final product. Now let's install it in the car. Boom. Looks good. Now I gotta do the rest of the interior. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the build. It's gonna be sick. Peace.